In a major legal development, a former Louisville police officer has been found guilty of violating the civil rights of Breonna Taylor, a case that has resonated across the United States and sparked nationwide protests. This verdict is a significant moment in the long journey for justice for Breonna Taylor, a 26-year-old EMT whose tragic death at the hands of police during a botched raid drew intense public outcry. The tragic incident happened in March 2020 when officers executed a late-night, no-knock search warrant at Breonna Taylor's apartment as part of a narcotics investigation. The officers breached her home, and Taylor's boyfriend, believing they were intruders, fired a warning shot. Officers responded with a hail of gunfire, striking Taylor multiple times and causing her death. The public was outraged, and Taylor's name quickly became a rally for the Black Lives Matter movement. The ex-officer's conviction marks a pivotal moment. This trial focused on allegations that he knowingly violated Taylor's civil rights during the botched operation. The prosecution argued that the officer's actions were reckless and ultimately led to her wrongful death, as he was accused of using excessive force without justifiable cause. The guilty verdict underscores accountability and sends a clear message regarding civil rights violations by law enforcement. The Louisville community, along with supporters nationwide, reacted to the verdict with a mix of relief and sorrow. For many, it is a bittersweet when a sense of justice tempered by the reality that it comes only after a devastating loss. This conviction also raises hopes for policy changes in law enforcement protocols, specifically around no-knock warrants and the use of force. What this means for law enforcement accountability. The guilty verdict could have far-reaching implications. It's a reminder that no one is above the law and that officers can be held responsible for actions that infringe on citizens' rights. This trial highlights the push for systemic changes to ensure similar cases are prevented in the future, focusing on increased transparency and stricter guidelines in policing. While the road to justice for Breonna Taylor's family has been long and painful, this conviction represents a significant step toward accountability. This moment not only honors Breonna's memory, but also strengthens the demand for reform within law enforcement. The fight continues, as advocates work toward a future where such tragedies can be prevented, and all citizens' rights are protected equally.